morning students, hope you all are doing well at your home. This is your EVS class, and students, what we are doing in our EVS class? We are doing a chapter number 2 and the name of the chapter is Going Places. What do you mean by going places? Going means jana and places means jagah. It means going places means kisi jagah par jana, right? So we have discussed something about this chapter, that how can we go here and there? How can we move from one place to another, right? So how can we move? If we want to go somewhere, how can we go? Sometimes we go by running, sometimes we go by walking, and rest of the time we have to go by vehicles. हमें किससे जाना पड़ता है? Vehicle से जाना पड़ता है, right? If I want to go to school, अगर मुझे school जाना है, right? And my school is not nearby, और मेरा school nearby नहीं है, so how can I go? मैं कैसे जा सकती हूँ और मैं कैसे जाऊंगी? How will I go? I will go by bus, right? If my school is nearby my house, अगर school मेरे घर के आसपास है, then I can go by running or by walking, right students? So yesterday we did some means of transport also, that there are 3 means of transport. So first we will revise little bit things, after that we will do the chapter. Now, so what these are? This is bus and this is ship, right? So this is land transport students and this is water transport, क्योंकि ये कहाँ चलती है? वाटर में चलती है. बस कहाँ चलती है? लैंड पे चलती है. इट मीन्स दिस इज लैंड ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड दिस इज वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट. स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ देयर आर 2 points on the board. First is we need transport to travel from one place to other. Why there is need of transport? आजकल ट्रांसपोर्ट की नीड क्यों होती है? We all need transport, right? And why we need transport? We need transport to travel from one place to other, because we are not able to go every time by running or walking. So that time we need some transport to move here and there, students, right? Because if I want to go to Delhi, so I am not able to go by walking or by running, right? I have to use some transport to go to Delhi. Now, the next one is a vehicle carries us and our luggage. Vehicle हमें भी कहीं ना कहीं कैरी करता है, राइट? हमें भी इधर से उधर लेके जाता है और हमारे सामान को भी लेकर जाता है. If we go to market, right? अगर हम मार्केट जाते हैं, sometimes we take रिक्शा और ऑटो. घर वापस आने के लिए क्या लेते हैं हम? रिक्शा और ऑटो. और सामान को कहाँ रखते हैं? We put all the luggage into रिक्शा और ऑटो, और फिर हम कहाँ आ जाते हैं? घर वापस आ जाते हैं. So we can say that a vehicle carries us and our luggage, right? Now the next topic is 3 types of means of transport. So students, there are 3 types of means of transport. The first one is land transport. Now what are land transport? The transport which moves on land, वो transport जो किस पे चलता है? land पे, that is called land transport. There is one example. This is bus. So where does bus move? Bus moves on road. It means bus is a land transport because it moves on land. Now the next one is water transport. Water transport. Water transports are those transport. Water transport are those transport which moves in water. जो कहाँ चलता है? जो कहाँ move करता है? In water. That is called water transport. Where does ship move? Ship कहाँ move करती है? Ship moves in water. कहाँ move करती है? Water में. So ship is a water transport. The next one is air transport. This is helicopter. कहाँ चलता है हेलीकॉप्टर? हेलीकॉप्टर moves in air. It means helicopter is a air transport. So students, like helicopter, aeroplane is also a air transport. So students, these are 3 means of transport. First one is land transport, second one is water transport, and third one is air transport. So student, now we read the chapter means of transport. This paragraph we did yesterday, but today again we will read this. Let's find out means of transport. To travel from one place to another, we need means of transport, that is vehicle. So now we all know, students, that if we want to travel from one place to another, what we need to travel? We need any transport to travel from one place to another. A vehicle carries us and our luggage from one place to another and saves lots of time. Vehicle helps to carry our luggage from one place to another and vehicle saves a lots of time, students. अगर हम भाग कर जाएंगे या वॉक करके जाएंगे तो it will take more time, right? If we use vehicle, it means vehicle saves a lot of time. We usually use vehicles to reach far off places. Usually when we use vehicles, when we have to go to far, तब हमें कहीं दूर जाना है, at that time we use vehicle. If a place is very near, we walk. अगर place आसपास है तो we can walk or we can run. If it is very far and you cannot walk, then you use other means of transport such as car, bus, train, ship or aeroplane. अगर आपको कहीं दूर जाना, if you want to go far, so what do you have to use? You have to use any transport such as car, bus, train, ship or aeroplane, right? So this is ship. So students, ship sails in water. Ship कहाँ चलती है? Ship कहाँ sail करती है? In water. कहाँ sail करती है ship? Water में. तो ship sails in water. चलती कहाँ पे? कहाँ move करती है? Water में. This is aeroplane. Aeroplane moves in air. It means it is called air transport. Car moves on land. It means this is land transport. So students, there are three types of means of transport: land transport, water transport, air transport. So now what we will do? We will do let's try one. And this let's try one is based on means of transport and vehicles. Now, question number 1. Who am I? What do you mean by who am I? कि मैं कौन हूँ? You can ride me. You can ride on me for short distances. I have 2 wheels. आप लोग मुझ पर बैठ के राइड कर सकते हो बहुत ही छोटे डिस्टेंस के लिए. I have 2 wheels. मेरे पास 2 wheels हैं and you can ride on me only for short distances. So students, I think you all have seen the tongas and this is tonga जिसमें 2 wheels होते हैं और you can say रिक्शा भी होती है, tongas भी होते हैं. Rickshaw has 3 wheels, sorry. Tonga has 2 wheels. So we can say that कि tonga help us to go here and there for short distances. कि जो टोंगा है वो हमारी हेल्प कर सकता है छोटे मोटे डिस्टेंस पे जाने के लिए. बट बेसिकली वी आर नॉट एबल टू सी टोंगा इन सिटीज. सिटीज में आपको टोंगाज नहीं दिखाई देंगे. टोंगा आपको कहाँ दिखाई देते हैं? बेसिकली विलेज में. So the next one is I take you to long distances through air. So students, by air आप कहाँ जा सकते हो? कितनी दूर भी जा सकते हो, right? तो कौन है जो आपको एयर में लेके जाता है? एरोप्लेन. I am huge. I sail on water. मैं बहुत बड़ा हूँ और मैं कहाँ चलता हूँ? वाटर में. कौन चलता है वाटर में? शिप. I travel to different cities on rail tracks. मैं रेल ट्रैक्स पर अलग अलग सिटीज में ट्रेवल करता हूँ. हु एम आई? आई थिंक यू ऑल नो दैट. हु एम आई? कौन है ये? कौन हूं मैं? ये पूछ रहा है हु एम आई. सो दिस इज ट्रेन. सो स्टूडेंट्स, वी कैन से दैट जो ट्रेन है वो कहाँ लेकर जाती है हमें? वी कैन ट्रेवल टू डिफरेंट सिटीज इन ट्रेन. हम ट्रेन के अंदर बैठकर ही अलग अलग सिटीज में ट्रेवल कर सकते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हमने क्या पढ़ा है? टुडे वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट द ट्रांसपोर्ट्स, means of transport and who am I. Let's try one. So that's it for today. See you in the next class.